Hi guys, today I will quickly show you the powerful Excel tool that we can use to summarize data. So here we have some data of sales for different foods, their categories, and then some timeline, the date. So simply select the data and go to Insert tab and then Pivot Table. Here we have the table range, we can change it if we want our pivot table in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. If existing worksheet, we will be mentioning the location here. I am selecting the option of new worksheet. So a blank pivot table is created. These are the rows, columns, aggregations or values, and then filter. So in rows, we will have the fruits. In columns, the category. If a mango is of A category, B or C, and then in the values section we will have the sum of values, sum of sales. If we want like the value field settings to change, we can do that. Like instead of sum, we want count, average, max or min, we can select from here. So now we have quickly the summarized data with us. We can add a filter as well if we want to select a particular date except May 1, or if we want to select all, we can remove it as well. We can insert a slicer, it's just like the filter. Select any date, select all, or remove the slicer. Similarly, we have a date table, date column, so we can add a, just like the slicer, we can add a timeline as well. So here we can select the time from January to May, or just January to March, or whatever, or all. So far this was a basic use of pivot table. Let me quickly show you another very powerful option. So suppose we want to summarize data, or we want to know that uh, what percentage of sales we have in a category as compared to the rows grand total. So we can quickly do that. Again, create another value section. So now we have two columns for sum of sales. In the second one, right click and select the option of show values as percentage of row total. So now we can quickly see through the percentage that for mango in A category, the sales are about 45%, and in category C, these are about 13 or 14%. So guys, viewers, this was a simple and quick overview of the pivot table. In my next video, I will try to cover the power pivot, so please stay tuned. Thanks.